Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be, as you know in the title, I'm going to be showing you how to make the Ninja airplane. So I just read this in a book. And yeah, so I'm going to be teaching you. You just get a regular piece of paper, like this. So first, you want to do this. Just fold it like I'll show you. You want to, sorry about this, just fold it like that, one side, right? And then make sure to crease it good. And then unfold it, so you should have a line. And then do the same thing to the other one, but just like that, and just go line it up with the line that ends at the, yeah, and then you should have like this, and then you should have like a glare, an X in the middle. So this part may be hard, but so yeah, I don't know actually. So you kind of want to do this, like squeeze this like that, and then you want to like do that. Like squeeze it, and like crease that down, and then push this part down, like so, and then it should be like this, and then there should be gaps. So about that, okay. And then when you're done this, you want to fold this to there. So say there's no other piece, and then I'm just going to do this. Okay. You want to do this. You want to do this. Just fold it quickly like that, like all the way down to there. And then you want to fold this part back over. Then it would look like that. And then you want to fold this one over too. And then you want to do the exact same thing on the other side. And remember, it's fine if you mess up and stuff. Just ask your parents if you want, if you need some help. So then it should look like this. Yes. And then after you're done this, you want to fold this. You want to do this. Just fold it like that, just to make the line. This is not it, but you could make an airplane like that. But I did that once, but I forget. But didn't really fly that good. So then you just crease it, then fold it, and you want to bring this all the way down to the end. Like, I'll show you guys, like this, and then, yeah, and then after you do that, you want to just flip it over like that, this, and then fold it like that, so all the messy stuff is on the bottom, messy stuff. And then you kind of want to get close to the bottom, like so. So then you just want to do that, fold it. Sorry that there's a glare. Sorry about that. And then you want to do the exact same thing on the other side and make sure to line it up. So, and then it's done. It'll just be like this. This is the Ninja airplane. So we're just gonna go down to the to the stairs down there, and I'm gonna show you how this flies. Okay, guys. So now we're gonna be throwing this down. So let's go. Woo! Wasn't that good? Kind of. Okay, now I'm just gonna show you the start. Ugh. There we go. Let's do it again. Oh! Sorry. That was a fail, so let's try it again. It does a loop-de-loop. Yeah. But it does a loop-de-loop, so that's the cool thing about it. So yeah. So guys, I guess I'll see you guys later. So guys, make sure to subscribe and like this video. Make sure to turn on those notifications. And yeah, so bye.